Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to upgrade or downgrade your server plan. Before doing anything though, we recommend creating a backup. You can do this by heading to the main page of the VPS, then scrolling down on the left until you see backups. All you have to do then is simply press create backup at the top. Keep in mind that this will overwrite the latest backup here. This is to make sure you don't lose files and you can always restore the backup after the upgrade is done. If you want to know more about backups and how to restore them, we've made a more in-depth video, so make sure you check that out. We'll leave the link to it in the description. Now, all you have to do is head to the change plan at the bottom of the page on the left hand side. Here is where you can select changes to make to the plan. As you can see, I'm currently on hosting, and if I want to upgrade to gaming, all I have to do is press gaming and then press the size. Select the payment method and then press upgrade. The same goes for if you want to downgrade. All you have to do is head to change plan and then click on the plan you want to downgrade to. Keep in mind that going from gaming to hosting will give you limited server locations, so you'll have to repick a location once you downgrade. It'll take a little bit, but once that's done, if your files have been removed, simply head to backups and restore the latest backup. Again, if you want to know more about backups, we'll leave a detailed link to a tutorial in the description. However, that's all you need to do if you want to make changes to your server plan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!